Today on S Branch Creek, we'll be doing a cold weather review on the LG mini splits. During a recent trip to the mountains, we were able to test the mini splits in cold weather. Nighttime temperatures got down to the mid-20s, while the daytime highs were in the 50s. During the night, we would set the units to 81 degrees. When we woke in the morning, the camper would be in the mid to upper 60s. One big benefit we have noticed is the lack of humidity in the camper. This is the discharge air temperature, with the outside temperature being 24 degrees. This test was done with just the two mini splits, no space heater and no furnace. LG states that an external temperature of 17 degrees is as low as the unit will operate. Another big benefit of running the mini splits was the savings on propane. We have been really pleased with the outcome of the mini splits in summer and winter. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time.